Hi, my name is Kevin. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for clicking, and welcome to another episode in this whole sharing content thing. And so the video that you're about to watch, it revolves around emergency funds and the importance of it. And so to start off, I want to just introduce a topic. An emergency fund is like a shield. Think of Lord of the Rings or any battle scenes with swords and shields and armor. Think of that, and think of your emergency fund as that shield, protecting you from hits, from strikes, both expected and unexpected. And so things will happen to your financial life. Things will happen in your life, and it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And when it does happen, ask yourself this question: are you protected? Do you have a plan? And an emergency fund is that. And it's part of your plan. It's there to safeguard you from unexpected or expected expenses. And so I pray that you find encouragement, that you find some sort of value in the video that you're about to watch. And yeah, I will see you at the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and here you go. Having an emergency fund is like having a shield in a sword fight for your finances. It's your protection against unexpected expenses like a broken water heater, a sudden illness, or a car repair. Think of it as that shield deflecting the enemy strikes against you, like relying on high interest credit cards or taking out risky loans. Without that safeguard, you can end up drowning in debt and feeling insecure about your finances. Financial curveballs can come out of nowhere, so it's important for you to have your emergency fund ready to soften the blow and keep your financial life stable. It offers peace of mind in times of crisis, like having a shield that gives you that confidence to tackle any unforeseen challenges with a sense of control. Without an emergency fund, your financial plan is like an unprotected boxer, vulnerable to any unexpected hits. If a surprise expense pops up, it could knock you down and force you to dip into your long-term savings or pile on debt, making it harder for you to recover and move forward with your financial goals. It's a risk you can't afford to take. I vividly recall a time in my life when I was living without an emergency fund. The constant worry about money was suffocating. I felt trapped in a cycle, knowing that any fluctuations in my work could have a profound impact on my monthly income. However, when I had a financial awakening, everything began to shift. I gained a newfound confidence in making career decisions and exploring other potential opportunities. It was truly empowering. I want to ensure that we are clear that the emergency fund that I'm talking about is not the same as true safety net. I firmly believe that genuine safety, true safety, salvation, and security can only be found through Christ alone. Building up your emergency fund is the first step in creating a rock-solid financial future. It's your safety cushion that lets you handle unforeseen expenses without having to touch your long-term plans. Start early, keep contributing consistently, and let the power of compound interest work its magic. You're not just prepared for any surprises, you're also setting the stage for long-term wealth building, and you're creating a path towards your financial freedom. Hi, it's Kevin again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for making it till the end. I pray that you found value and encouragement in what you just saw. I invite you to visit our website at www.behavior-shift.com, where you can find more information on how we can help you in achieving your financial freedom. Lastly, I want to plug our newsletter, which you'll find in our website. And in our newsletter, we aim to provide you with high quality, relevant, and valuable information about financial planning topics. We'll share resources, our views on those financial planning topics, and how that ties into your financial planning journey and your financial freedom journey. Thanks for watching and see you soon.